Good morning, students. Today we will learn English lesson number 13, Sultan Ghiyasuddin in the Qazi's court. Sultan Ghiyasuddin in the Qazi's court means because of his mistake, Sultan is in the Qazi's courts. Students, you already heard the story of Akbar and Birbal. Like this is also one story is that hundreds of years ago in the eastern province of Bengal, Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah ruled the land. Sultan Ghiyasuddin Azam Shah was a one sultan and he has a one province of Bengal. Province means one of the large area in Bengal. His capital was Sonargaon. Sultan Ghiyasuddin was a good ruler. He ruled wisely and well. He reported men of learning. He had a deep regard for law. He is a very good person and he is taking care when he is taking any law, that time he is taking more care. One day while the sultan was practicing with his bow and arrows, he accidentally wounded the only son of a poor widow. One widow was there and that widow's only one son was there, and by mistake when sultan was practicing with his bow and arrow, he accidentally wounded that son. Wounded means to injure someone with knife or bullet. Means that sultan was wounded that son. The wounded boy did not survive. The wounded boy was not alive. He was dead. Weeping and wailing, the poor widow went to the Qazi and told him what had happened. And obviously, that poor widow's only one son was there. He was not alive and he was weeping and wailing. Weeping and wailing means crying and sobbing long and loudly. And he is taking help of Qazi. And he told him what had happened by Sultan. The Qazi was an honest and upright man. Upright means honest and justice. He was giving just to every person. He sent an officer to summon the Sultan to his court. Summon means to order someone to come. Immediately that Qazi sent one officer to summon. When the officer reached the palace, the guards stopped him and inquired about his business. Means that guard asked him to whom? To that officer, why you want to go inside nearby Sultan. When they learned that he had come to serve a summons on the Sultan, they were shocked. They refused to let him go inside the palace. Summons means a written notice ordering someone to appear in court. When they understand that he is complaining about that sultan, they were shocked and they are not giving permission to go in the palace. The officer was now in a fix. Means that officer was in very difficult situation. The guards did not allow him to enter the palace. The guard did not allow him to enter the palace, but he knew that he could not return without serving the summons. Means serving the summons means written notice. That he decided, he think that he could not return without serving summons. The Qazi would not take him back. Qazi also decided that I would not send him back. He had to find a way of reaching the Sultan somehow. What could he do? He thought and thought. He thought that how I will go nearby Sultan. So he find out one way. Which way is there? We will see. At last he began to sound the azan. You know, students, azan means this is the prayer. The call for the prayer loudly just outside the palace means that officer was started to do that prayer loudly, and it was not yet time for the prayer. Means every prayer has, in Muslim religion there is a prayer, and that prayer have specific times are there, and when that person started azan, that time, that was not a time for the prayer. When the Sultan heard the loud untimely call, he was greatly surprised. And when Sultan heard that untimely prayer, that time he was greatly surprised. He ordered that the man giving the call should be brought before him immediately. And this is the way of that who Qazi gave tell to that officer, and because of that untimely prayer, Sultan called that person